Understanding Fabrication Labs, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an exciting term, Fabrication Lab. Often called a Fab Lab, this concept is not only interesting but also very relevant in today's technology-driven world. Let's dive in and understand what a fabrication lab is all about. A fabrication lab, or Fab Lab, is a small-scale workshop that offers digital fabrication. It's a place where you can create almost anything using modern technologies like 3D printers, laser cutters, and CNC machines. These labs are about making ideas come to life, allowing people to design and produce physical objects from digital plans. The concept of fabrication labs originated at MIT's Center for Bits and Atoms. The idea was to make technology accessible to everyone, to democratize innovation. Fabrication labs have since spread globally, supporting local communities, education, and even small-scale business ventures. Fabrication labs are important because they are centers of creativity and innovation. They provide access to tools and knowledge that can transform ideas into reality. They are also great for learning, offering hands-on experience with advanced technologies. In education, they help in bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Fabrication labs are used by a wide range of people. Students use them to bring their projects to life, hobbyists for personal projects, entrepreneurs for prototyping, and educators for teaching practical skills. The versatility of Fab Labs makes them a valuable resource for almost anyone interested in digital fabrication. I hope this video has helped you understand what a fabrication lab is and why it's such an exciting and important concept. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone interested in technology, a Fab Lab can be a place of endless possibilities. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see what you can create in a Fab Lab near you. Thanks for watching.